as soon as like the first night in the van, we knew like this is not for us. Should have got a hotel, and we should have just rented a car, a very small. There it is. We made it, buddy.
Is that on?
What do you think?
Yeah.
Can't wait to get inside. Here it is. Am I talking loud? VanLife in the UK. It's happening. It's today. So here's what's happening. I've got my headphones on. I'm gonna watch the video, and I'm gonna explain what's going on. It needs some narration. It doesn't make any sense unless I'm saying what's going on. So the plan was, I got this this map of the UK. That's Scotland. We didn't go to Scotland. I was gonna draw on the map, but I couldn't remember anything. I couldn't figure out where we were in the photos I took. And so we're gonna use Google Maps. We're gonna do some detective work. We'll pop back and forth between this face and the actual video and the map, so you can get a full picture of what was going on. We landed. The first video you saw previously on this channel, we traveled for about 30 hours, and then we showed up to the van, and then actually I have a video of it. Let's just watch. All right, we made it to London, and we picked up Herb. But it took us way longer to get there than we expected with the underground and the trains and the walking. And so we just drove Herb to like a Walmart, English Walmart, and we took a nap. And then we tried to figure out our SIM card situation with our phone. It wasn't working, which is now like kind of working off and on randomly. And then also our credit card stopped working for a couple times, but now it's working again, so that's good. And what else happened? Oh, driving Herb is really hard. London is crowded and scary, and so we need to get out of here as soon as possible. So we got a hotel, and we took some showers, and we're feeling clean, and we're gonna get ready and try it again tomorrow. First day, we made it up to Cambridge, and we took a stop there. And Cambridge is beautiful. I don't know if you've seen Cambridge, but we have some video. We have some video of Cambridge. Just us walking around, so jet lagged, so tired, but we tried to make the best of it. Leah, where are we? Do you know where we are, buddy? We're in Cambridge. We made it. What do you think? Beautiful. Look at that castle. So from Cambridge, we went about an hour north to a place called Peterborough, and we stayed at, what was it called? It was called Fairy Meadows Caravan Park, which is what an RV is called. They're called a caravan in England. So much nicer. And it was nice. We played at a park, and I think there was trains there. It was the real deal. It's a cute little spot. There's a lot of people around, but we finally got to park and just relax. And it turns out we didn't know there was a heater in the van, whatever it's called, the caravan. And so it was pretty cold. We tried to do a little fire in the stove. It lasted for like a half hour. The stove was literally this big. But we got to play at a park, and we got to sleep. Man, that jet lag was rough. And did I say we had a breastfeeding, teething baby with us?
What's our home?
It's our home for tonight.
That's our home. Leah, what are you eating?
This.
What is it called?
I don't know.
It's called fish and chips.
Chicken nuggets. I got chicken because we don't like fish.
Chicken nuggets.
Do you like fish?
Chicken and chips. I don't know. It's just
think you
with
like
chips.
From Fairy Meadows, we woke up and we went to York. We made it there. I think it was like the third day. It's a couple hours. And the cool thing about cities in England is that they have like a park and ride on your way in, or like 4. I think York had a bunch of them. And you can just park and then they drive you in. Their public transit is so great. So we didn't have to drive the van into York, which would have been a disaster. The streets in York are small. And so I didn't bring my camera to York because I wanted to enjoy it. So there's a few photos from the iPhone and a few videos from the iPhone. We got to see the college that I went to. We went to the York Minster. It's a huge, I don't know, is it Anglican? Church of England church building up in the north, the biggest one up there. Went in there and just kind of farted around for the day, showed Joy the city. And we met someone at a coffee shop that the school runs, and he gave me like a whole list. I'll show you a whole list of things to do. And so from there, we decided to go to the beach. Hey Leo, where are we?
Alaska.
We're in Alaska?
Yeah.
That's not true. We're at the York Minster.
With York Minster.
That's right. So from York, by recommendation of our coffee shop friend, we went to Bridlington, which is on the east coast of the UK, and it's a beautiful little beach town. And we camped out at a place called Bridlington Caravan and Motor Home Club site. Beautiful, as you can tell by the pictures. But we were still so tired. I woke up at like 3 in the morning, and I got to catch the sunrise, which was beautiful, and we actually ended up staying here for a couple days. All right, out here at the coast, caught the sunrise. Still jet lagged. But yeah, we're on the east coast of England right now, and it's beautiful. The van is freezing, and yeah, it's hard to sleep, but it's nice to be at the beach. We hung out for the day. I think we got some fish and chips, and kind of just drove around, sat on the beach, and it was a quaint little time. But if you remember, the goal of the trip was to get to the Dales. Well, we'll get to York and then to get to the Dales. So from there, from Flamborough Head to get to the Yorkshire Dales, what was the city called that we went to? We went to Masham, UK, and it was 2 hours, so not too bad. And when we got to Masham, there was a sheep festival going on, which is when things on this trip took a turn for the better. Yeah, it does. Leo, do you know where we are?
With the sheep.
We're with the sheep. You see them? We made it to the Yorkshire Dales. Most beautiful place in God's green earth. What's it called? God's own country? Yeah. It only took us 5 days to get here.